Building affiliate content manually can be time-consuming, especially when you need to add product information, affiliate links, images, and keep everything up to date. That's where Affiliate X comes in. Affiliate X is a WordPress plugin that helps you create engaging affiliate content using both the Gutenberg editor and Elementor. Whether you are creating product reviews, comparison tables, product listings, or promotional sections, Affiliate X provides a wide range of ready-made blogs and widgets to simplify the process. In this tutorial, I'll explore Affiliate X key features, content product using Amazon integration, create dynamic product listings, customize your design with templates, and build professional affiliate pages with minimal effort. By the end of the video, you'll have a solid understanding of how Affiliate X can help streamline your affiliate marketing workflow while making it easier to create professional and engaging affiliate content. So let's jump in and see how it works. Before exploring the plugins feature, let's take a quick look at the installation and overall plugin setup. For this demonstration, Affiliate X has already been installed and activated, so we can jump directly into the plugin. And Affiliate X available in both free and pro versions. The free version includes the essential tool for building affiliate content, while the pro version expands those capabilities with additional integrations and advanced features. One of the biggest advantages of the pro version is support for multiple affiliate marketplaces, including Amazon, eBay, and AliExpress. These integrations allows you to import product information directly into your website, instead of adding everything manually. Besides marketplace integrations, the Pro version also includes additional tools that help streamline affiliate content management, which we'll explore in this tutorial. Also, Affiliate X integrates directly into the WordPress dashboard, making it easier to access its features while working on your website. With the plugin ready to use, let's move into the editor and explore the different Affiliate X blogs available for building affiliate content. Now that we have seen the plugin interface, let's explore the blogs available in Affiliate X. Inside a Gutenberg editor, simply open the blog inserter and search for Affiliate X to access the plugin's collection of affiliate-focused blogs. Affiliate X provides a wide range of blogs for creating different types of affiliate content, and this includes blogs for single products, comparison tables, product listings, coupons, call to action sections, and many other layouts designed specifically for affiliate marketing websites. Each blog serves a different purpose and includes its own layout and customization options, allowing you to create professional-looking affiliate content that matches the style of your website. One of Affiliate X's most powerful features is its marketplace integration, allowing you to import product information directly into your affiliate content instead of entering everything manually. Before importing products, the plugin first needs to be connected to a supported marketplace. Affiliate X supports the Amazon Product Advertising API, giving you direct access to Amazon product information. For users who don't have Amazon API credentials, the plugin also offers Zero API as an alternative, making it easier to connect and retrieve product data. Once the connection has been configured, importing products is straightforward. I'll return to Editor and add a single product block. From here, I can search for a product directly from Amazon and simply select the one I want to display. As soon as the product is connected, Affiliate X automatically imports key information, including the product title, images, current price, description, and affiliate link. This eliminates the need to manually copy product details, helping you create affiliate content more efficiently while keeping product information organized. Affiliate X also lets you control how the important information is displayed. For example, I can adjust the title length and description length to better fit the design of my page without editing the original product data manually. With just a few clicks, the product is ready to be displayed using the automatically imported information directly from Amazon. Another powerful feature is the dynamic listing block. Instead of adding products one at a time, Affiliate X can automatically generate product collections based on your selected search criteria. Simply enter a keyword, choose how the product should be sorted, and specify how many products you want to display. For example, I can display Amazon's best sellers for a specific search term, allowing Affiliate X to build a complete product listing automatically. Because these listings remain connected to Amazon, product information can stay synchronized automatically whenever updates become available, helping reduce manual maintenance over time. Affiliate X also supports displaying multiple product images instead of showing a single image. You can present additional product images in an interactive gallery or slider, allowing visitors to explore the product more effectively without leaving the page. These features make it easy to create dynamic, engaging affiliate pages while reducing the amount of manual work required to keep product information organized up to date. Once the product has been added, Affiliate X make it easy to customize its appearance using ready-made templates. The template library provides a selection of professionally designed layouts that can be added with just a few clicks, allowing you to quickly change the look of your affiliate content without rebuilding it from the scratch. If you create a layout that fits your website, you can also save it as a custom template and reuse it across multiple pages, helping maintain a consistent design throughout your site. Beyond templates, Affiliate X also includes a variety of customization options. You can adjust layouts, colors, typography, buttons, spacing, and other visual elements to better match your website's branding and overall design. So far, we've been working with Affiliate X in the Gutenberg editor. However, Affiliate X also supports Elementor, allowing users to build affiliate pages using the same powerful features within the Elementor's visual editor. So let's see how that works. In addition to the Gutenberg editor, Affiliate X also integrates seamlessly with Elementor, giving you the flexibility to build affiliate pages using your preferred page builder. After opening Elementor, simply search for Affiliate X to access the available widgets. Just like in Gutenberg, you can drag and drop these widgets directly into your page and begin creating affiliate content using Elementor's visual editing experience. The available widgets include product displays, comparison tables, dynamic listings, coupons, call to action sections, and many other affiliate-focused layouts, providing the same powerful functionality within Elementor. Once a widget has been added, you can configure its content and customize its appearance using Elementor's familiar interface together with Affiliate X built-in settings. Whether you prefer Gutenberg or Elementor, Affiliate X provides a consistent workflow, allowing you to build professional affiliate pages using the editor that best fits your website. Beyond the affiliate building tools we've explored, Affiliate X also includes several features that help you manage and monitor your affiliate website. The analytics section provides insights into your affiliate performance, helping you track clicks and better understand how your content is performing. The broken links feature helps identify affiliate links that are no longer working, making it easier to keep your website up to date and avoid broken product links. Email reports allow you to receive scheduled updates directly in your inbox, so you can stay informed about your affiliate website's performance without logging in regularly. Together with the customization, automation, and integration features we've covered throughout this tutorial, these tools make Affiliate X a comprehensive solution for building and managing affiliate websites. Throughout this tutorial, we've explored how Affiliate X simplifies the process of creating professional affiliate content in WordPress. We looked at the wide range of affiliate blocks and widgets, connected products using Amazon integration, created dynamic product listings, customized layouts with the template library, and saw how the plugin works seamlessly with both Gutenberg and Elementor. Whether you are publishing product reviews, comparison tables, coupons, or dynamic product collections, Affiliate X provides the tool needed to build engaging affiliate pages while reducing manual work. With its flexible customization options, automation features, and support for multiple pages builders, Affiliate X is a powerful solution for affiliate marketers and businesses looking to create professional affiliate websites more effectively. Thanks for watching, and we hope this tutorial has given you a clear understanding of how Affiliate X can help streamline your affiliate marketing workflow.